absolute value. Already we saw that absolute value modulus of x value. Modulus of x value is x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x if x is less than 0. This result we already saw that. Next we are going to see some results for absolute value. Similarly, that is 4 result is there. Let's see. If x comma y belongs to R, y plus x equal to x minus y, then x into y equal to 0. Maybe this is asked in your creative 1 mark, so listen carefully. If x comma y belongs to R, then modulus of y plus x or x plus y equal to x minus y, then x into y equal to 0. Okay. Next, for any x comma y belongs to R, modulus of x into y within modulus x into y can written as modulus of x into modulus of y. Next, modulus of x divided by y equal to, we can write modulus of x by modulus of y. We can split the modulus to the denominator as well as numerator for all x comma y belongs to R, and y is not equal to 0, because if y becomes 0 it becomes infinity. That's why y is not equal to 0. Next, modulus of x plus y can written as is less than or equal to modulus of x plus modulus of y. I repeat, this is very important one. Other multiplication division we can write as it is. You can see that modulus of x comma y can written as modulus of x into modulus of y, and modulus of x by y can written as modulus of x by modulus of y. But modulus of x plus y is less than or equal to, that value becomes equal or less than modulus of x plus modulus of y. Okay. So next, inequalities involving absolute value. So there is a two condition: modulus of x is less than r, or modulus of x is greater than r. First we are going to see modulus of x is less than r. So if and only if modulus of x is less than r, if and only if minus r is less than x is less than r. So this result is very important. This formula we are going to use in the sums. So if x is modulus of x is less than r, there is a two conditions. First is less than r, next one greater than r. If less than r, we can written as minus r is less than x less than r. And next, second condition, modulus of x greater than r if and only if x is less than r or x is greater than r. Okay, so when if modulus of x is greater than r, if and only if x is less than minus r greater than plus r, it's very different, because x is less than minus r or x is greater than r. Okay, based on these results we are going to find out the answer for sums. So these results are very important. And remark also is that before that we saw that only less than or greater than. Here we are going to see less than or equal to. For any a belongs to r, modulus of x minus a is less than or equal to r if and only if minus r is less than or equal to x minus a is less than or equal to r, if and only if x belongs to a minus r, a plus r. Okay, so here we use a closed interval, but here open interval, because here equal to is there, so therefore here we used closed interval, but only less than and greater than is there, we use only open intervals. Okay, next, second condition, for any a belongs to r, x minus a greater than or equal to r is equivalent to x minus a is less than or equal to r minus r, or x minus a is greater than or equal to plus r. X minus a is less than or equal to minus r, x minus a is greater than or equal to plus r. Okay, if and only if same condition, minus infinity a minus r union of a plus r comma infinity. Okay, next we are going to see example sum. So example 2.4, solve x minus 9 modulus of x minus 9 is less than 2 for x. So we are going to find out the x value. Solve modulus of x minus 9 is less than 2 for x. Let's see the solution. Solution for example 2.4. Given that modulus of x minus 9 is less than 2, so we know that this is in the form of modulus of x minus r, or x minus a is less than r formula. So or modulus of x is less than r format. So I gave the result here. So this is considered as modulus of x, and 2 is r, this is x. So minus r is less than x is less than plus r. Okay, minus r is less than x less than r. This is considered as modulus of x is less than r. So we written as minus r less than x less than r. So minus r value is 2, minus 2 is less than x minus 9, because x value is x minus 9. Next less than plus r plus 2. Okay, so next here we want only x value. So we want to cancel minus 9, that's why I add 9 in all terms of inequality. So I add 9 here plus 9. So minus 2 plus 9 plus 7. Here minus 9 plus 9 will cancel, so x will come. Next 2 plus 9 11. Therefore this is the answer, 7 less than x less than 11. Okay, I repeat, given that modulus of x minus 9 is less than 2, this is considered as modulus of x less than r. So we know that modulus of x is less than r, which implies that minus r, if and only if actually. So minus r is less than x less than r. So modulus of x, this is x value, is minus r value is 2, minus 2 less than x less than here plus r 2. So next want to cancel minus 9, so I add 9 on each term of inequality. Then it becomes minus 2 plus 9 plus 7 less than x, 2 plus 9 11. So this is the required answer.